inside this one?
I don't know. You just have to open it and find out. Open it up.
What's this? What's inside this one?
You have to lift this. Lift this. Lift to open. What is it?
Clothes.
Okay, well maybe there's something else. Why don't you look underneath the clothes?
What is it?
What is it?
It's Zurg!
It's Zurg!
Mommy, Zurg! Zurg! Mommy, he's scary.
Is he?
Yeah. Mommy, Zurg! He's scary. He's scary.
He is scary.
Zurg's scary.
Do you want help opening him?
Daddy,
Yes?
what is he from? Where is he from?
I brought you this from where Daddy was flying planes. I brought you a surprise. And this is the surprise.
Zurg.
Do you like the surprise?
Yeah, and he works too.
Does he?
Yeah.
You think?
Mommy, Zurg. He's scary, Daddy.
Is he scary?
Yeah.
Well, come here, push some buttons and see what happens. Push the big...
Mommy, Zurg works.
Yeah, it does.